Hi, I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is Simply Made Fancy. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious and simple hot chocolate. So in the winter months, to stay nice and warm, we always have hot cocoa in our house. And we've been drinking it so much that we decided to get our own little milk warmer. I'll link it below. You can find it on Amazon. And because we've been making hot cocoa so much, we decided to create our own hot cocoa mix. So this is what I've been using for the best hot cocoa. So before I give you the ingredients for the best hot cocoa mix, first I need you to like and subscribe, and now I can show you what to do. Okay, so number one ingredient, and you cannot substitute this, you have to buy this specific ingredient, and that is the Nativa's organic cocoa powder. I found this at Costco and I wanted to try it, and I'm obsessed with it. I'll link it below. You can also find it on Amazon if you don't have a Costco near you or a membership. But this is the number one thing. You have to use this cocoa powder. So now you have your cocoa powder, then you have organic sugar, and if you want, optional, a little bit of cinnamon. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna find a mason jar or any type of jar to contain your hot cocoa mix, and always have it ready and on hand so when you're making your hot cocoa. You're gonna take a 1/4 cup of the cocoa, and then you're gonna take a 1/2 cup of your sugar. And if you want, you can double it just to fill your jar. And I put a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And again, the cinnamon is optional, but it's great. I love it. My kids love it with cinnamon. And then you have your 3 ingredients. You're gonna shake it up. Make sure everything gets incorporated. And there you go. This nice, delicious hot chocolate. So now it's time to make our hot cocoa. So again, I got this on Amazon, and I think it was fairly a good price for what it is and what it does. And since we have hot cocoa all the time, especially during the winter months, we definitely wanted something that we can have easy access on the counter to make it. So all you need to do is get your milk, and it has a minimum and a max, and actually you can go a little bit over the max. And once the milk is complete, now time to pour yourself some hot cocoa. And of course, we have to dress it. I bet you didn't think that it was that simple to make your own hot cocoa mix at home. So if you found this video useful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Cheers and enjoy!